Eggs are enough for the survival? Let's counter the question to find the answer. In this video, I will discuss why consuming 2 to 4 eggs daily is essential. I have some valuable information that I will share with you. Eggs are not only a complete source of protein, but also a complete food. They are low in carbohydrates, high in good quality fats, and contain moderate protein. The protein in eggs is different from other protein sources due to its high biological value and bioavailability. The higher the bioavailability of a food, the easier it is for the body to digest and utilize it. Compared to other protein sources like fish, chicken, and beef, the protein from egg is superior as it produces the least amount of metabolic waste. Metabolic waste, such as urea, ammonium, can disturb the blood glucose level, leading to the spike in blood sugar. Among all available protein sources, eggs rank number one. One reason for that is that eggs contain a complete profile of essential amino acids, which are crucial for healthy skin and hair. The protein in eggs is found in both egg white and egg yolk. If someone consuming only egg white and avoid the yolk, they miss out on additional protein. Egg yolks are also contain fat soluble vitamins, including vitamin A. One important aspect of vitamin A is beta carotene, which is often mentioned alongside it. However, beta carotene is not actually vitamin A, but a precursor that the body converts into vitamin A. The conversion is only about 30%, meaning not all beta carotene turns into vitamin A. When we talk about vitamin A, we refer to its bioavailable form, which is retinol, not beta carotene. Retinol is found in egg yolks, and it's challenging to find the food that provide vitamin A in its active form. Among such foods, egg yolks are the top of the list. Vitamin A is essential for skin health. Its deficiency can lead to dry and rough skin. It is also crucial for eye health, sinuses, and immune system support. A strong immune system helps the body to fight disease. Eggs are also rich source of vitamin D, which is the one of the most important vitamins. If you are deficient in vitamin D, you may experience increased skin sensitivity, rashes, sunspot, sunburn, and conditions like psoriasis. Inflammation in the body increases and the acne become more severe. When it comes to dietary source of vitamin D, eggs are among the top of the list. Eggs are also provide vitamin E, which protects the skin from UV radiation, reduces the scarring, and act as a powerful antioxidant. It helps protect the skin not only externally but also internally. Additionally, eggs contain vitamin K1 and K2. They are rich in choline and nutrient that helps prevent fatty liver and support brain and nerve health. Choline improves mood and enhance memory. Eggs are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for the skin health and have anti-inflammatory properties. They also contain lecithin, often referred to as a natural antidote to cholesterol. If you avoid the egg due to cholesterol concerns, you should to know that eggs actually increase good cholesterols like HDL. If there is excess of bad cholesterol in the body, lecithin helps to neutralize it and regulate it. Choline also play an important role to reducing the high cholesterol levels. Eggs provide essential B vitamins such as B2, B3, B12, and biotin, which are crucial for healthy hair. When buying egg, it's better to choose organic and free range eggs over the commercial farms egg. Free range chickens raised in the natural environment and fed a more natural diet, which affect the taste and the texture of the egg. While the nutritional value may be similar, but the quality of nutrient is different. Now let's talk about the egg allergies. If someone is allergic to the eggs, the reaction is usually caused by protein in egg white, not the yolk. In such cases, consuming the only yolk allows a person to the benefit from its protein, vitamins, and minerals without experiencing an allergic reaction. Eggs are also rich in minerals like potassium, magnesium, iodine, and selenium. Selenium is particularly the rare in food and plays a crucial role in thyroid function. They support the conversion of T4 to T3 hormones. Another important component found in eggs is carotenoids, specifically lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants are essential for skin and eye health. They help prevent in cataract, skin damage, and macular degeneration. While carotenoids are also found in vegetables, but their bioavailability in eggs is much higher, making eggs as a superior source of these nutrients.